The language, the people, everything feels like a puzzle you can't solve. Like you thought you spoke the language, but everyone's looking. In China, it's wild. You might think you know Mandarin, but then you travel to a different region and it's like you've landed on another planet. The dialects can be so different that be the official language, but there are countless others like and then to Texas, same country, totally different vibes. In New York, you get the The contrast is striking, and it's the same in China. Villages in Yunnan, the diversity is mind-blowing. So first up, we got Mandarin. This is like the but it sounds so different. Same question, totally different. These little quirks that make communication both challenging and you'll have stories to tell for a lifetime. After all, it's these Section 5. Why so different? It's culture, baby. So, why are these dialects so different? It's a question that has intrigued linguists and travelers alike for centuries. Well, it's all about culture, my friend. Culture shapes the way we speak, the words we use, and even the tone of our voice. China is a huge country with a long history, stretching back thousands of years. Over time, different regions have developed their own unique ways of speaking. The Northeast, for example, has its own distinct dialect that sets it apart from Mandarin and other regional languages. Party food, which have influenced the local dialect in fascinating ways. The dialect here is resilient spirit of the people who live in such a harsh climate. Geography of a region can all play a role in shaping the way people speak. So next time you hear a different dialect, remember, it's not just about words. It's about the rich tapestry of culture and history that makes each one unique. Section 6. Share your stories, language geeks. So, there you have it, folks. Mandarin and the Northeast dialect, two sides of the same coin, both hilarious in their own right. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever had any funny language mix-ups in China? Share your stories in the comments below. Let's have a good laugh.